Greetings. Mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Selassie I first. I never want to do this. I tried before and I just said, it don't worth it. But you know what? In the interest of Jamaica and this gay agenda argument, Dalton Harris, this one is for you, Mr. Dalton Harris. You understand what I say? I sing the song to Jamaica, because I don't sing, and you may sing too. As just some words I try to repeat. Come. Listen. Love will be easy if your colors are like my dream. Red, gold, and green. You know where I go with that? Dalton Harris. You saw where that gone? Right back in the 80s, from way in the 80s, early 80s, Boy George and Michael Jackson and what's his name again? Another British singer, George Michael, were three of the biggest stars in Jamaica. You understand what I say? Three of the biggest stars, everybody is singing George Michael and Boy George, and they were openly gay men. You understand what I say? Boy George, he was undeniable. You get me? I say the man that he came to Jamaica and tour. You get me? I say come perform in a big reception and rave reviews. You understand me? He admitted he didn't mind being called a batty boy because he see the love in the people's eye and they were cheering and enjoying, and even though they were saying, Batty boy, they were running next to the car and saying and waving. So he'd never take offense to it. I listened to the interview that he did with Barry G. So, rubbish the gay issue, acting like the Jamaican people shun you because you are gay. Hey boy, look at Shibana. Look at Shibana. You get what I say? The society vastly on a whole does not accept the sexual orientation, but that doesn't mean that they are gonna, go get extrajudicial to get rid of gay man. Nobody don't bother with that. They would just nobody don't do that, man. DJs who are not gangsters, I tell you, not gangsters are to compete. Just use that as a catchphrase to get shouts in the crowd and things like that, something that everybody can agree with, something that we would all be in favor with, and try to indicate that whoever is talking against or up against is so inclined, so you'll get the crowd see the funny side of his what would you call opponent being tarnished that way. You understand what I'm saying? But then again, they know it's not really true because you can see and again type of thing in Jamaica. So Dalton Harris is another attention-seeking Jamaican again who distort the views and the images of Jamaica for his own gain. You understand me? For clickbait and likes and things like that. Dalton Harris, you're a disgrace. You got enough man. You got a visa, probably you get citizenship abroad. Take that and keep it and leave Jamaica for those who are there suffering. You understand me? Stop destroying the country that produced you. You already destroyed your mom by disrespecting her on international TV, talking about what you were abused. There were so many different standards to abuse, but you never defined really, did you? You're a devil. You're a worthless, dirty boy. You might not even be gay. That's thing. You might not even be a gay man. I think you're just doing that again for the attention that it might breed. You understand me? And for the fervor or for the attitude or the reaction from the Jamaican public, yeah, and then the from the English public when they see or hear the perceive or the so-called reaction that you might have promoted that might have come out of Jamaica upon you sitting in a guy's lap. You understand? No doubt you blew that out of proportion, and then the British courts are gonna go, something is wrong, something might be wrong. And you understand me? While you know the truth, you understand me? For your own gain, you're damaging the rest of over 3 million people in Jamaica. For your own selfish gain, you destroy your mother's image internationally. You understand what I say? And it's a lie. Emotionally, everybody in Jamaica know that what you're talking about. It's not the way you made it seem. That's the wickedest part of it, and you know this very well. You understand me? That's why you're claiming they hid you in the back of an airport. You might get a bottle not for the way you sing or not for who you are or your sexual orientation, but for disrespecting your mom. Jamaicans make #1 song just by calling mom's name. It's another widely acceptable message or argument that in a dance hall or in the public, you will get majority acceptance for saying, so everybody will agree with you and you get a shout and say, yeah, just like with the gay clickbait argument. You get what I say? So you knew what you did. You already knew the damage you did to yourself. You understand me? That's like basically dissing every gangsters in Jamaica. You understand me? Openly on television. So you'll be, yeah. You know what you did. You get me? And your aim was just to win the X Factor. You win the X Factor, you got the international crowd at your tail. Work with that. Stop destroying Jamaica. Stop destroying the image of Jamaica and going at you're like a vampire leeches and you are a no good. I can't even believe you going around and promoting this propaganda like anybody. Nobody don't remember you. You disrespect your mother, you throw hot water, cold water in your mom's face, the lady that bear you for 9 months and push you out. Nobody see you. No, that's from that nobody like you, youth. You get what I say? That's what you should admit and talk to the crowd because you lied on your upbringing and you lied on your mom. That's why no Jamaican accept you anymore. No Jamaican has got the platform like you do to express their true feelings in regards to your insults of your mother. You understand me? Even Britain would have shunned you if they had any resource or any way of finding out or hearing or seeing another side of your story. The world would have shunned you, and that might be where your shun is coming from, because I don't see you in any top interview in Britain since you won that majority of other winners got. Yeah, and to protect the integrity of the program, what they will do is cover up your lies. If they, say for instance, a scenario is a case where they went and investigate, because they will do these things and found out the truth that you were being, a liar. Yeah, they'll just cover that up for the profit, for their benefit and profit. It's not their business to expose that. What they would love to expose is the fact that it's true. If that what you were saying was truth, they have gone into it and dug up some more to try and solidify your claim so that it can blow you up more. They would have done that. It would have been in their interest. They have done that, I'm sure. But they one time found that your argument did not hold any water. See? So they dropped you and leave you out there in the cold. You live right now. Every star that I see, I live in England, every star that won X Factor, the companies like Psycho, Simon, them keep them up, keep their standards up for years. They're not gonna have no little, you see the little man in a room, a comb your hair. No, you got sit down a Soho in a West End and you have expert hairdressers with a man or a woman. I take care of your things. I take care of your image. You get what I say? You're not going in a room with no man, a true Jamaica, with certain things where you know is unacceptable. You understand me? And still a complaint to the people I'm not accepting you. Who is you? Jesus? Your attention seeking troll. Go take care of your mama, dirty boy, and leave Jamaica alone. You're worthless like I don't even know what to say to you. Fire! You see, don't know. Share, like, and subscribe. You understand what I say? Thanks for the new support and things like that. You understand me, boy? That's what I heard coming when I see people that try to destroy the island where it's unnecessarily. You get what I say? Island's got enough things going on for it. You see? More bless. And my next video gonna be about the destruction of Jamaica tourism and how the island is being held back by the international community purposely. Yeah? First, go research the distance to go to Australia. Then research the distance to Jamaica. Also research the difference between the airfare to go to these destinations. Thank you very much. Share, like, and subscribe. Bless.